Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete playlists on YouTube. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. So first thing that we want to do here is we need to go ahead and open up our YouTube mobile application. So once you open this up, you have to ensure that you're currently logged into the correct account because we don't want to delete the playlist that we don't want to delete. Now in this case, we want to access our profile icon at the bottom right of your screen here. And from here, we should be able to see a section that says playlist. Now in this case, click on view all to see all your playlists. And from here, choose the playlist that you want to delete. Now in this case, I have this playlist here. Just go ahead and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see the videos included in the playlist. Now, if you click on the three dotted icon that you see at the top right of your screen, you should be able to see different options, which is watch on TV, health and feedback, and especially delete playlist. Now, go ahead and click on delete playlist here. It's going to confirm if you really want to delete. Go ahead and click on delete to confirm. And as you can see, we were able to delete a playlist on YouTube. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next